सेल्फीज। चालू रखो भलाई की सप्लाई। जब टाटा डोकोमो पर मिल रहा है भर भर के डेटा, तो संकोच कैसा? ओपन अप।
Baba, today is the last day to pay my school fees.
Uri Baba, don't worry. I will do something.
Baroda M Connect for fund transfer, mobile recharge and many more. Now get super solutions with Bob Mitra. Dost you can bank on. Bank of Baroda, India's international bank.
मेरे ख्याल से स्नो वाइट बेस्ट।
वेरी नाइस।
हमारे किचन में सिर्फ फ्लैट रेड। चेक इट आउट।
अमेरिकन वॉलनट, दैट्स इट।
रूज, ब्रिलियंट।
अरे ये क्या कलर है?
I can help. See this.
नाइस।
जैसा चाहे घर सजा, अपना हर ख्याल हमारे पास पाए। सेंचुरी लैमिनेट्स, माय डिजाइन, माय स्टाइल।
It's perfect.
He can do anything.
Can you swivel 180 degrees?
So, are you tough? Unbreakable?
What do we do with something perfect? We try hard to make it even better. Unreasonable? Well, that's the only way we know to make products that delight you. Powered by 4th generation Intel Core processors.
Keep it safe, stay alive. Life is beautiful when it's by your side. Sip some rain, mud your eyes. Get in the line, move out, defy. Keep it safe. Stay alive, get busy living, don't drink and drive.
If you are careful about small moments, why drink and drive?
घर बनाते टाइम अगर आपसे कोई ये पूछे कि यार सीमेंट का कलर तो फीका लगता है, स्ट्रांग होगा क्या? तो उसे कहना दोस्त, घर बना रहा हूं, चाय नहीं। सीमेंट की असलियत उसके रंग में नहीं, उसकी मजबूती में होती है।
JSW सीमेंट, बनाओ प्यार से।
Thank you, India, for uncompromising. The Elite i20 is the Indian car of the year 2015.
Hyundai.
You're watching Morning Prime Time. In other updates today, Punjab Revenue Minister Bikram Singh Majithia will appear before the Enforcement Directorate today and will be questioned on his alleged links with drug smugglers. Opposition parties, the Congress in particular, have now demanded his resignation. Shamsher is joining us for more. Shamsher, we are of course following that Enforcement Directorate summon of Bikram Singh Majithia. Tell us what is expected, considering that his party, the Shiromani Akali Dal, has been standing firmly behind him, and we of course know that he is very, very highly connected with several leaders, even in the BJP, related to him in family.
Well, in fact, Bikram Singh Majithia is the younger brother of Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal and the brother-in-law of Punjab Deputy Chief Minister. So he's very influential, there's no doubt about it. Yes, he is appearing before the Enforcement Directorate in Jalandhar today. And, the summons was served on him on the 17th of this month. Interestingly, a day after Prime Minister Modi spoke about the drug scourge in Punjab. And in fact, Punjab Vidhan Sabha, in fact, which was in session, has seen, stormy moments, primarily because of this. There was no confidence motion that was also brought in by the Congress on this very issue. And the BJP seems to be, on a sticky ground as far as this entire issue is concerned. On the one hand, BJP maintains a facade, a very firm stand against drugs. And in fact, the state president of the BJP had initially demanded resignation of Punjab, of Bikram Majithia, because he's being summoned on the grounds that another minister, Sarwan Singh Pilor, was made to resign from his position after his son was summoned by the ED.
Right.
But later on, when the Congress played this master stroke and wrote a no confidence motion against the government on this ground, the BJP backed out and in fact chose to support the government and did not support the motion which demanded Majithia's resignation. So BJP is on a very sticky ground, and this entire issue is a very stormy one, a very sensitive one as far as Punjab is concerned.
Shamsher, thank you for updating us on that story. Yes, Punjab Revenue Minister Bikram Singh Majithia, like Shamsher just pointed out, is likely to appear before the Enforcement Directorate. Now, ED is all set to grill him. He is, remember, an Akali Dal strongman, but the party is desperately trying to firefight the drug racket controversy.
Punjab Cabinet Minister Majithia will be grilled for his alleged links in the drug smuggling case. The Enforcement Directorate, taking no chances, has prepared a detailed questionnaire. But demands are now pouring in for the case to be handed over to the CBI for a fair probe.
अगर पंजाब में जो इंक्वायरी चली तो दबाव रहेगा ही रहेगा अफसरों के ऊपर कि वो पंजाब में रहते हैं और इनका गुंडा राज है यहाँ पे। तो ये इंक्वायरी ये ईडी जो करे ये पंजाब के बाहर दिल्ली जहाँ अपने मुंबई के ऑफिस में करे और साथ में साथ जो क्रिमिनल केस चल रहा है वो जो पंजाब पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन पंजाब से बाहर सीबीआई को सौंपी जाए।
Congress sharpening its attack and slamming the Modi government for taking no actions, demanding Majithia's resignation from the Punjab government.
हमारी पार्टी पंजाब में इस मुद्दे को उठाती रही है, खास करके जब से कुछ नाम पुलिस वालों की डायरियों में से निकले थे। हम चाहते थे कि एक फेयर एंड फ्री इसमें तहकीकात की जाए। हम लोगों ने तो शुरू में सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी भी मांगी थी।
मेरे ख्याल में सबसे पहले इस्तीफा जरूरी है और नंबर 2 पे ये जांच पंजाब से बाहर होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि पंजाब सरकार इन्वॉल्व है उसमें, क्योंकि वो बहुत प्रभावी नेता हैं और रिश्तेदार बहुत नजदीकी रिश्तेदार हैं डिप्टी मुख्यमंत्री के। तो पंजाब से बाहर जांच हो और इस्तीफा देने के बाद जांच हो।
The Akali Dal firefighting the controversy continues to back its top leader.
Absolutely nothing wrong. It is a passing statement by a criminal who has been caught by the Punjab police not once but twice.
With over 50 questions waiting for the Punjab minister, it remains to be seen if Majithia comes clean during the interrogation. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Moving on, tigers, rhinos and water buffaloes dot the green in Kaziranga. Now, this December, Times Passion Trails gave 20 travel and wildlife photography enthusiasts a chance to live their dream on a 6-day wildlife photography trail through Assam, where they were guided by renowned wildlife photographer Rajesh Bedi. Take a look.
Rhino is a creature we get to know quite early in our lives. But many of us spend a lifetime without ever seeing it for real. But then there are some of us who make the trip to fulfill a childhood ambition to see the one-horned armored being.
Beautiful backdrop, isn't it?
Yeah. As part of the Times Passion Trail series, 20 photography enthusiasts got a chance to experience wildlife photography with Rajesh Bedi, one of India's biggest names in the genre of wildlife photography.
Spending one day with them and talking to them what kind of equipment they are using, what they are looking forward, why they are here on this trail, gave me a satisfaction that they are the right participants.
All these participants who come from different walks of life get to explore the wild and capture some of the best that wildlife has to offer. They get a chance to live their dream on a 6-day wildlife photography trail through Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, Kaziranga National Park and Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam.
That's all we have for you in today's edition of the Morning Prime Time. News and updates continue. Do stay tuned.
Thank you, India, for uncompromising. The Elite i20 is the Indian Car of the Year 2015.
Hyundai. प्रॉमिस कुछ किया था, मिला कुछ और, लेकिन हमारे इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर्स आपको वही प्रॉमिस करेंगे जो पूरा हो सके। एडलवाइज टोक्यो लाइफ, क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस से बढ़कर है आपकी जरूरत।
Soon to be Mrs. Kumar doesn't sleep enough, but when she does, she sleeps great. World-class spring mattresses from Peps. Sleep great.
बचपन में पाया था, आज भी है साथ। Continental two-wheeler tires made by Metro.
Looks like you need a wash too.
The new generation Scorpio.
What? 80% off?
Over 20 new mega sales up to 80% off every day at 9 a.m. Log on to fashionandnew.com.
Yes! Growth 56% higher than India's GDP. Revenue, India's fastest growth in tax collection. Labor, 0 man days lost in 2013-14. There's a new will in Bengal. Find out at the Bengal Global Business Summit. Come to Bengal. Ride the growth.
खुशियों की शुरुआत एक नई Hyundai के साथ। इस दिसंबर जाएं आपके नजदीकी Hyundai शोरूम और पाइए Hyundai कार्स पर शानदार ऑफर्स।
Time to drive into the new year with Hyundai.
Hyundai.
What is the character of your party and the character of the party which you're joining hands with, whether it remains the same or you're going to compromise now?
Siddharth Nath Singh is ready to forget it. He has called these two parties names. He has called them anti-national and he's now going to enter into an alliance with one of them. What happened, Siddharth? Explain your hypocrisy.
There is no lust for power. There is certainly a lust for something which is called development in Jammu and Kashmir.
We need a stable government in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the responsibility of the PDP as the single largest party and of course the BJP as the second largest party to figure out a way out of this complicated situation. It is not for the Congress. We don't have the numbers.
Presented by Amity University, a leading research and innovation-driven university. Powered by Zolo Smartphones. In association with IndiaMart.com. काम यही बनता है। Shine.com. आपका काम का दोस्त। Light years ahead.
This is the Times Television Network, and you're watching Times Now.
Revealed on Times Now how the Assam government sat on the IB warnings that claimed 81 innocent lives. Times Now accesses the chilling transcript of a phone intercept of an NDFBS commander, but will the Gogoi government take any responsibility? It's politics of convenience in the valley. The BJP top brass plays a wait-and-watch policy as the regional parties are warming up to the Saffron Brigade. The Akali strongman Bikram Singh Majithia to appear before the ED today in the drug smuggling case. Despite the political storm, the fringe group lays the foundation for Mahatma Gandhi's assassin. UP cops registered a case against the Mahasabha General Secretary Madan Acharya. It's another hate monger caught on tape.